5.5 years off my sentence. I went from 144 months down to, I ended up getting 74 months, but my guidelines are only 10 to 16 months. I think the judge had an issue with the amount of time for the charge that I had. Only carried this with my category 3. Attorney that's really dedicated and trying to really help people, and besides just selling you a dream, like, and a lot of times you want to try to help them as much as you can. You don't want to sit up playing cards all day. You want to be digging, and they make it tough for you sitting in those cells. I understand it. Like, it's hard to get to the law library. The law library don't have anything in it at all. And, but books, but you got to get in there, man. You really have to dig hard to try to help yourself get out, because you're the one sitting in there. And even though you're paying an attorney, sometimes they have a lot of cases and a lot of stuff they're dealing with too that we don't know about. So as much as you can help them, if you, have any kind of knowledge about any of that, and, know your case better than anybody. Know your case better than your attorney. Know your case better than anybody. If you know your case, can't nobody come and tell you this or that if you know your case and your situation. So when you're looking for an attorney, I think you need to let him know that you know your case. And one of the good things that I will say I liked about Mr. Gordon was anytime that I ran across something that I thought that would either help my case or something that I think I should run by him and ask him what he thinks, he was very open to listening to what I had came up with or came across. When I was in Pennsylvania at Loretto, one of my cellies told me about him. And, his name rings a little bit in the federal prison. His paralegal is amazing. Amazing paralegal. Loved him to death. Amazing paralegal. But, and I think he's really for trying to help people really get out more than just trying to take your money and just be like, well, we tried and move on to the next one. So I found out about him through a cellmate of mine that was already incarcerated. Then I did some research on my own afterwards. I had my sister look him up, check him out. That's all.